Hi, baby. Hello po, asawa kong maganda. Kasi natuwa ka doon sa first video ko, kaya video ulit. Nakakaya. This time, kanta ako para yung buo. Pero hindi naman totally buo. Para hindi ka naman masyado mainip. Ha? Ito na lang. Pakinggan mo siya, ha? I love you. This is for you. Nakakaya. Didinig mo ba yung music? This is for you. I love you. Sorry kayo na umaga. Tantrums na naman ako. Ikaw kasi. Okay, game. You give me hope. The strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe it turned the time. It makes me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know that tears can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. And suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little eyes that stare at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. You changes everything you see. When I know I've got you with me. Okay na po yan. Kasi baka mahirapan ako mag-upload. Gagamitin ko lang yung phone ko pang-upload. I love you, baby. Bye-bye.